Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step comparison between Mailerlite and Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Klaviyo is specifically built for e-commerce businesses, offering robust tools that emphasize data-driven marketing and advanced customer segmentation. Its seamless integration with leading e-commerce platforms like Shopify allows businesses to access in-depth customer data, empowering them to create highly personalized and automated email campaigns based on individual user behavior. For instance, businesses can send targeted emails to recover abandoned carts, suggest product recommendations, or follow up after a purchase, which greatly enhances customer retention and boosts sales. Klaviyo's automation features are incredibly flexible, enabling marketers to craft tailored messaging for distinct customer segments with pinpoint accuracy. Although Klaviyo comes with a higher price tag compared to MailChimp, its capacity to drive revenue through more intelligent and customized marketing strategies often makes the investment worthwhile for growing e-commerce brands. For businesses focused on performance-driven marketing and increasing sales through email, Klaviyo stands out as the top choice for delivering effective, highly targeted campaigns. Mailerlite is an intuitive and budget-friendly email marketing platform designed for businesses of all sizes with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Known for its clean, user-friendly interface, Mailerlite makes it easy for users to create and manage email campaigns, even if they have little to no technical experience. The platform offers a wide range of customizable templates, automation features, and advanced audience segmentation, allowing businesses to engage their subscribers with targeted content and personalized messaging. In addition to email marketing, MailerLite also provides tools for landing page creation, pop-ups, and surveys, making it an all-in-one solution for growing an online presence. Its affordable pricing plans, including a generous free tier, make it an ideal choice for small businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs looking to build and nurture their email lists without breaking the bank. Whether you're running a newsletter, launching a product, or growing an e-commerce store, MailerLite provides everything you need to run successful email marketing campaigns. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.